Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to finish up working on the tail lights and polishing them up. Kind of did a test run here a little bit, and you can see the difference. So I think we're just going to go ahead and polish it. And what I'm using, so we still got this one tail light to finish up here, but I went ahead and did this one earlier. I just wanted you guys to see the difference. Here's one rubbing compound and polish versus without. Phenomenal. What a difference. So we're using the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Alright guys, so let's keep moving forward here. And I just decided to, just go ahead and polish these instead of spraying them down with clear coat. Really didn't see the need to spray them with clear coat, because after sanding them down with the 2000 and the 8000 and cleaning them up, they showed quite a bit of life still left in them without having to go that extra distance. Now some guys, you'll probably end up having to spray some clear coat after sanding them down, which is fine, but luckily I didn't have to.